In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro using school email official legal method for students. This is the official, fully compliant way to unlock premium Canva tools at no cost if you are eligible through your school. You will use your school-issued email and a quick verification process to join Canva for Education, which includes all Canva Pro features. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Canva for Education page on Canva's official website. You will know you are in the right place when you see information about free access for eligible educators and students. This page outlines what's included and links you to the sign-up flow. Click Sign Up and enter your school-issued email address. This should be the address provided by your institution, such as one ending in .edu or your country's academic equivalent, like .ac.uk or .edu.au. Avoid using a personal email as the system looks for an education domain to recognize your eligibility. Make sure you can access that inbox so you don't miss any confirmation messages. When prompted, choose the Teachers and Schools option and click Get Verified. This step is how Canva confirms that your account belongs to an education community. Don't worry if you are a student, this path covers institutions as a whole and is the correct route to the education plan. Next, complete the short form with your first and last name, the full name of your school, and the subjects or grades associated with your studies. Keep the information accurate and consistent with how your school lists it. Clear, correct entries help the verification process go smoothly. If your email isn't automatically recognized, you may be asked to submit documentation. Upload a clear photo or scan of a valid school ID card or an official document confirming your current student status, such as an enrollment letter or timetable. Ensure the image is readable, includes your name and institution, and only shows what's needed for verification. Standard image or PDF formats work well. Once your account is verified, you'll have access to Canva for Education, which includes all Canva Pro premium features. That means premium templates and graphics, brand kits, background remover, magic resize, advanced collaboration tools, and generous cloud storage, everything you need to design presentations, posters, reports, and social media content at a professional level without paying out of pocket. That's the whole process, end to end. Thanks for watching.